Hi, I'm Jane Peyton. I'm principal of the School of Booze. Today's tutorial is about beer. What determines the styles of beer? Well, first of all, there are three branches in the family tree of beer. Ales, lagers, lambic. That's a Belgian style of sour beer. Ales include India Pale Ale, porters, stouts, dozens of others. Lagers, Pilsner, Helles, Dunkels, lots of other lagers. Lambics are Gurzas, Faros. Now, beer's made the same, malted barley, fermented. But with ale, the water that's used to brew it is full of mineral salts, and that increases the mouthfeel of the beer in the body. It also enhances some of the aromatics in the hops, and it influences how the beer ferments. With lagers, the water used is very low in mineral salts, and so that gives the mouthfeel very crisp, light body to the beer. Now with lambics, it's the same style of water as an ale. Another thing that determines those branches of the family tree of beer is the yeast that's used. So with ale, it's a particular type of yeast that ferments very quickly and gives the beers a fruity aromatic to the beer. Now with lagers, the yeast ferments very slowly at cool temperatures and you don't get the aromatics coming through from the yeast. With lambic beers, they are fermented with wild yeast, and there's also microflora that live in the wooden barrels that the beer is aged in. So those beers are very sour. So put simply, those branches of the family tree of beer, it's to do with water and it's to do with the yeast. Stylistically, the ales with the porters and the stouts, the lagers with the dunkels and the helles, it's to do with the colour of the malt that's used, the flavours, the hops that are used as well. Everything's beer, it's just different branches of the family tree. So, School of Booze, you do your homework at the pub. And the textbooks are these. Now this is the same book, it's just got a different cover. You can buy them on my website and I'll send you a signed copy with my best fountain pen. Cheers!